Hello, this is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. I had a question in the comments about advancing these knees forward, wondering if I could do it at a certain increments. And so you can see how this works. These pins will come out and you can put them, it's hard to see, but there are markings on them. And so like if you have it right here as the 1.25 inches, if you have it in that 1.25 inch one, it'll advance to there just with one pull. And so that 1.25 inch slot will give you a 1 inch board, considering you've got somewhere's around a 1/4 inch saw curve on it. So there's that way to do it. And then the other way, you can see these markings here, and there's a little arrow there. So if you want to know how much is behind, how much is left on your board, you can look at this. And I've seen a lot of people with different types of gauges that does this same thing that would be more accurate, and I intend on building one of them eventually. But when I've been doing those 2x6s, so I would start by looking at this, and like a 2 inch, I've had this chart, so a 2 inch board, these are the increments. So if you start out with an 8 3/4, you go to 6.5, and then 4 1/4, and then 2. So that gives you going from what you have left, so you end up with your 2 inch board. So anyway, I am going to start cutting a bunch of 1 inch stuff. I'm actually shooting for 3/4 inch, so I'll have it set at a 1 inch spot, so I get 3/4 inch boards, and they're gonna be used to fill in this east wall here. So I'm going to start doing that, and on these I'll end up with a thicker board here, the last board, but I'm going to just start out here and move it forward each time, and then it'll leave the last one will be a little bit thicker. So that's what my plan is for today. I got 1, 6 3/4 by 8, 1 3/4 by 8, or 2" by 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 7 3/4 by, looks like 6. That was a fun day milling. Fun few minutes milling. It wasn't a day. Maybe 45 minutes or something. Anyway, thanks for watching.